Hello everyone, it's Lurgs here and welcome to my channel. And today the VW T5 transporter, the beast, did you know it's got a fuel filler cap holder? But before we get started, there's a link above now which shows you where the fuse box locations are and how to check the fuses. Okay, so this is the fuel filler cap here. So we just open the passenger door and then open that up. That's just a safety feature, you can't open it without the door being open. And this is what you might be doing, opening up your diesel cap and just letting it bash around on your chassis and getting diesel all down your chassis. So let's try that again, the correct way. What you do is you just place the fuel filler cap in this holder above, and then that lets you fill up with your diesel without that cap hanging down on the cord and getting diesel all down the side of your van. And there is a link above now about the battery location and how to check the battery on your VW T5. After all that hard work, it's time for a lovely cup of tea. If you would like more how-tos and helpful tips and life hacks, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool.